Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and as you can tell from the past two videos, we're actually still camping down here in the Keys. And right now, we're over at our buddy Chris's campsite where he has a full kitchen over here set up for me to cook in. And we're going to be cooking our dinner now, which is going to be some beef quesadillas. We're going to go ahead and season up our piece of beef here for the beef quesadillas. So we're actually going to be using some B&B barbecue cinnamon ball dry rub. It's a little bit on the spicier side, but it's not too bad, and it adds some excellent heat to the beef here for the quesadillas. We're going to also add in some Four River Smokehouse brisket dry rub. If you have ever been to Central Florida or you live in Central Florida, I would say Four River Smokehouse is probably one of the best chain barbecue restaurants around. So just to give everybody a quick update, we have our beef over here cooking that we seasoned up with some Four Rivers and some B&B barbecue seasoning. Then over here we have our peppers and our onions. We're not actually cooking them, we're just kind of heating them up here on the side because we're actually going to put these inside the quesadillas and they're actually going to cook inside the quesadillas. So if you're wondering what this pot of water is, Kevin and Katie wanted to have some macaroni and cheese, so we just threw a pot of water over here to bring some water up to a boil without having to break out a gas stove. So here's our meat, it's done. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut it up into chunks that we're gonna go. So what we're gonna do is we added in some of the fajita vegetables we made earlier, some of the beef, some of the vegetables. We're actually gonna add a little bit more cheese. Just a little bit more. And then we're just gonna take the tortilla. We're gonna go ahead and fold it in half, and then we're just gonna throw it right on the grill. Here's our little quesadillas here with the beef inside. So we're just gonna go ahead and scoop them up, place them on the plate. All we're doing is just kind of heating up the shell to kind of harden it up a bit. And there's the beef in there. We got some vegetables and some cheese. It's ready to go. We actually have some street taco sauce over there to dip them in. So dinner's done. As you can tell, we have a whole bunch of empty plates laying all around. So, and trash. I mean, we have our raccoon Kevin from Overland, Florida. Alrighty. So, Katie, how did you like the street tacos?
It was great. It was really good.
That's awesome. Kevin, what was your opinion?
The steak was delicious, and that's probably some of the thickest steak I've ever seen come from Publix before.
Josh, so what was your opinion on the street taco that you just tried?
They were very bright, like your phone right now.
Thank you everybody for watching. If you like this video and want to see a lot more different camping foods and outdoor meals, go ahead and subscribe below so that way you can see our weekly videos that come out every Wednesday. Also, stick around for the very end of the video, and we're actually going to have a bloopers section for just a few of the errors that we made and a few jokes along the way making this video.
Look excited.
He is.
Alright, it's recording. Let me get those racist rags out of here real quick.
The racist one.
Rags?
Oh, yeah, white rags.
Okay.
All right. So our meat, we just went ahead and pulled that off of the fire. So now here's our meat. So
He didn't do the video.